Hello everyone. Today's topic is sounds of animals. All animals have different sounds. In this topic, we will learn the sounds that they make. A cat mews, a monkey whoops, a dog barks, a cock crows, a duck quacks, a horse neighs, a cow moos, a donkey brays, a crow caws, a frog croaks, a sparrow chirps, a lion roars, a goat bleats, a bear growls, an elephant trumpets, a snake hisses, a pig grunts, a tiger growls. You can also conduct the activity given here. Play the sound of different animals using TV, mobile, computer, etc. Then ask the child to identify the name of the animal. Thank you.